Max, look at this.
What is it?
A poster. The old library on Green Street. They are closing it next month.
Closing? Why?
Not enough money. Nobody goes there anymore.
That's sad. I like libraries.
Me too. They need $500 to stay open.
500? That's a lot.
I know.
We can't do anything. We're just kids.
Maybe we can. We raised money before. At the school fair. Remember?
That was different. We had paintings and robots.
So we make something again. Something people want to come and see.
Like what?
I don't know yet.
All right, class, let's get started. I'm writing the new project deadline. It will be due next Friday.
What about a play?
A play?
Yes, with costumes and a story. People pay for tickets.
Max, that's a really good idea.
I know some jokes too.
Let's not use the jokes.
Okay.
Lily, Max, what can I do for you?
Mrs. Park, can we use the school hall on Saturday?
For what, Lily?
A play. To raise money for the Green Street Library.
That's a wonderful idea. But Saturday is already booked. The hall is closed for painting.
Oh.
What about the gym?
The gym has no stage, Max, and no curtains. It won't look right.
I see. Thank you, Mrs. Park.
Now what?
I don't know. The library.
What?
We do the play inside the library. The one we're trying to save.
Can we do that?
Let's go ask. Hello? Is anyone here?
Yes? Oh, children, hello.
Are you the librarian?
I am. My name is Mr. Ellis. I've been the librarian here for 31 years.
31 years?
Yes, a long time.
Mr. Ellis, we saw the poster. About the library closing?
We want to help. We want to do a play right here inside the library.
A play? Here?
We'll sell tickets. All the money goes to the library.
Nobody has tried to help before. Not like this.
But we want to try.
Room B, in the back. You can use that room.
Really?
The books have been here 31 years. They deserve a chance.
Lily, I forgot my lines again.
Max, we practiced 10 times.
I know. But when I stand up, my brain goes empty.
Then don't stand up. Sit down first. Then stand up slowly.
That doesn't make sense.
Just try it.
That actually helped.
I know.
Lily, the costume. My dragon tail keeps falling off.
Don't worry, Max. We'll fix it together.
I used all the tape.
Then use my hair clips.
I am not wearing hair clips.
Max, nobody will see the hair clips.
Fine. Lily, what if nobody comes?
People will come.
What if only 3 people come?
Then we perform for 3 people.
Lily, you're not scared at all?
I'm very scared. Me too. But the library needs us to be brave.
I see 23 people.
23?
Mrs. Park is here, and the baker from the corner shop.
The mayor?
Don't look at him. Just pretend he's a normal person.
He's wearing a very large hat.
Once upon a time, there was a dragon who was afraid of one thing.
I am a very brave dragon. I am afraid of nothing. I am not afraid of books. Books are very quiet, and they have too many pages. Old paper, and a little bit of dust, and something else, something warm. Oh, there are so many.
The dragon stayed for a very long time, and when he left, he was not afraid anymore.
Young lady, young man, that was remarkable.
Thank you, sir.
I'll make some calls on Monday. No promises, but I'll try.
Did that just happen?
I think so. The mayor definitely saw the hair clips.
Ugh.
$240.
Is that enough?
Not yet, but it's a beginning. 31 years ago, I started working here. I was 22.
It matters to us.
I can see that. People came for a play. But maybe they'll come back for the books.
Mr. Ellis! Mr. Ellis, look! Page 3! Read page 3!
City agrees to fund 3 local libraries, including Green Street.
The library is staying open.
It's staying open.
You're not going to cry, are you?
Dragons don't cry, Max. I'll keep this one.